This 2025 Winnebago View 24T AWD is a Class C RV. It is located in Kerrville, Texas, 78028 and is offered for sale by McClains RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features auxiliary battery, air conditioning, awning, slide-out. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Murphy bed. This 2025 Winnebago View 24T AWD is built on a Mercedes Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.